Do you want to know how you can uninstall Photodirector from your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can uninstall Photodirector from your phone. Go ahead and locate Photodirector, which is in your phone. Tap on Photodirector and tap on Settings. Click uninstall and then press OK. This way Photodirector will be uninstalled from your phone. Or else all you need to do is locate Photodirector, tap on it and click uninstall. After clicking uninstall, press OK, and in a while you can notice that Photodirector has been uninstalled from your phone. I hope this video about how you can uninstall Photodirector was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.